Hello everyone, today I will review the Koogeek LS1 Smart LED light strip. In this video I will talk about the advantage of this light strip. 1. Support 3 systems. Compatible with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and the Google Assistant, you can use Amazon Echo, Siri or Google Home to control it after configuration. 2. Support color changing and dimmable. Offers 16 million colors to choose from and every color is dimmable. You can match the light to your mood and personalize your home. The 2-meter smart light strip can be cut to desired size at the scissor markings. 3. 3 functions for iOS devices only. Create scenes and control multiple HomeKit-enabled light strips with different light colors and brightness at the same time. Set custom schedules and timers for a light strip or a scene to turn connected light strips on or off at a specific time automatically. With Koogeek Home App's help, you can control the light strip with Apple HomeKit-enabled accessories simultaneously and automatically without setting up any home hub. 4. Remote control. After successfully configuring Alexa or connecting to the Google Assistant, you can remotely control and monitor connected light strips with either iOS devices or Android devices, whether you are at home or not. The on/off status and control of connected light strips are synced and shared across iOS devices and Android devices. 5. Energy saving and waterproof. Powered by USB power sources, it is energy saving and featured with a lifetime of up to 25,000 hours. Waterproof IP65, you can attach it to most clean, dry and flat solid surfaces, such as your walls, beds, cabinets, TVs, sofas, and stairways. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye. To handle, so I gotta get